Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is divine light. You have become the example. You have become the pedestal. You have become the lighthouse where others, they're coming to you for salvation, for safety, for great advice, to see how to get it done. Because you are the finished product of getting it done, showing up, showing out every single day, making deadlines, meeting your deadlines on your timelines, being successful. That's what this is. Remember how you got here. Stay consistent because it took a lot of work. You came too far and worked too hard to stop now. I'm the expression of love. I shine like the sun. My inner light is strength and my treasure and my gifts. My intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness of who I am and what I am giving to the world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.